They fill this in? I guess not. Tree.
Yeah, you're doing fine. Open.
No front locker.
Huh?
No front locker.
I know.
Okay.
But thanks for reminding me.
Hey, here to help. Almost. You're pretty close.
I'm going to take another line for you, okay?
Everybody gets to go tuck that up here.
That's the hardest one right here. A little easier there, and sometimes over there.
You gonna come up right here, Jeff?
Yeah, Dave's before.
Tack that. Come on. Hit it. No, that's not hitting it, man. It's got a rev limiter. Let's hear it.
You don't hear it hit the tire over there?
Come on. Come on. Ah.
Jared, you just walked through there. What's the deal? This is one of the cases where a shorter wheelbase actually helps me.
Yeah.
And I've also driven up this thing for 16 years.
What? Dude, I did it backwards.
What case do you have? What kind of transfer case? What gear ratio? 4 to 1?
Yeah.
So I do 4 to 1 third and just run into the wall. Nobody likes my hat. It's so cool, you can't even see the rear end. It's totally flexed away.
Ah, I was almost it. Yeah, you're on your slider.
You're on your sliders, you're good. Driver. Driver. If you're on your sliders, you're not going anywhere.
Oh, I know. I'm not worried about
Oh,
that.
okay. That's awesome.
Yeah. This is where the wheelbase really helps you. Yeah. Get around that corner. Tire. I wish I had a turn radius, I would have came in like that.
Well, that was it.
Is that an automatic?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe it's his. Might be his power steering.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's closer to probably his. Think we got enough people covering this?
I think we need, hey,
Huh?
there's a camera in the...
If I pop up right here, what's going to happen when I jump?
What?
I'm just afraid when I jump up, the seat count holds like that.
No, I think your passenger's going to drop, dude.
That's what you did, Jared. Didn't you come out on this? Well, he
Yeah.
came into it like this. I can see him from back there. I just didn't make the Now you turn. went through here.
There you go, back up, yeah. Keep turning harder. No, passenger. And back up, just a little bit.
When you back up, you're going to drop in a hole in your passenger rear, FYI.
Just a little bit more. That's probably good. Now try and bring it all the way this way you can.
Why are you not turning?
There you go. Drive that.
Fuck
You tell it. No, no.
Right there. Keep that line. Keep moving. Just keep moving. There you go. Keep moving. Keep moving. Just keep stepping and go to the right. Go to the right. Right. Yeah, right. Yeah, keep moving.